For many decades now, HD Hyundai has been leading the world's shipbuilding industry with the most innovative technologies.
지금까지 세계 최고의 엔지니어링 역량으로 세계 1등 조선소를 만들어 왔습니다. 이제 세계에서 가장 먼저 그리고 가장 빠르게 디지털 조선소에 도전하고 있는 것입니다.
조선소의 디지털 전환의 핵심은 전사의 데이터와 프로세스를 연결하는 통합 운영 워크플로우를 구축하고 각 업무 영역에서 데이터 기반의 의사결정을 할 수 있는 체계를 갖추는 것입니다. 이런 우리의 미션을 실현하기 위하여 팔란티어의 파운드리를 활용하고 있습니다. 우리는 설계부터 구매, 생산에 이르기까지 모든 업무 영역에 파운드리를 접목하고 있습니다.
조선소의 복잡한 프로세스와 데이터를 연결해 온톨로지를 구성하고 워크플로우를 최적화하면서 조선소가 오랫동안 풀지 못한 과제를 해결하고 있습니다. 뿐만 아니라 팔란티어 AIP를 통해서 조선소의 고유한 특성이 담긴 온톨로지를 사용하는 생성형 AI 솔루션을 만들고 있습니다.
우리는 5개의 선체 조립 공장에서 과부하 혹은 저부하가 예상되는 공정과 시점을 빠르게 식별하여 작업 인원, 시간 등의 가용 자원과 비용 측면에서의 최적화를 파운드리 기반의 플랫폼을 통해서 찾을 수 있게 되었습니다. 이처럼 핵심 공정인 조립 공정의 안정화를 통해서 궁극적으로는 전체 공정의 안정화와 생산성 극대화를 실현할 수 있습니다.
That's why we've been driving the future of shipyard project together with Palantir, drawing on the latest innovation in AI, digital twin, and so much more to transform our shipyards, unlocking a whole new level of productivity and safety.
AI isn't just changing shipbuilding, it's unleashing a revolution that's about to rock the entire maritime industry. You won't believe the partnership that's driving this transformation. Palantir and HD Hyundai Heavy Industries are joining forces, and it's not what you'd expect. We're talking about a $2.7 billion market that's on the verge of explosion. The technology they're developing isn't just impressive, it's downright mind-blowing. You've got to hear about what they're cooking up. It's going to change everything we know about ships, and trust me, you're not ready for this. Building ships with AI is a total nightmare right now. We're not talking about slapping some fancy computers on a boat. This is about cramming cutting-edge AI, ultra-sensitive sensors, and navigation systems that can outthink a seasoned captain into a hunk of metal that needs to survive the worst Mother Nature can throw at it. It's like trying to build a supercomputer that can also withstand a hurricane. Traditional shipbuilding methods are as useful here as a screen door on a submarine. These shipyards are stuck in the past, trying to build the future with yesterday's tools. It's not just about building one ship, it's about revolutionizing an entire industry that's been doing things the same way for centuries. We're looking at a market that's about to explode from $920 million to $2.7 billion in just 10 years. That's a lot of zeros and a lot of potential for whoever cracks this code. But here's the real problem. Integrating AI into every aspect of shipbuilding is like trying to teach a fish to climb a tree while it's still underwater. You're dealing with complex systems that need to work together flawlessly in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. One mistake, and you're looking at a multi-million-dollar paperweight floating in the middle of the ocean. Enter Palantir and HD Hyundai Heavy Industries. They're about to flip the script on shipbuilding in a way that's going to make waves across industries. On one side, you've got Palantir, the kings of making sense out of massive amounts of data. On the other side, you've got HD Hyundai Heavy Industries, one of the largest shipbuilders in the world, with decades of experience. At first glance, these two don't seem like they'd have much in common, but that's exactly what makes this partnership so powerful. Palantir brings the cutting-edge software and data expertise, while HDHHI brings the real-world, nuts-and-bolts experience of actually building these massive vessels. Together, they're tackling a problem that's been giving shipbuilders nightmares. How do you integrate AI into every aspect of the shipbuilding process? And I mean every aspect, from design and construction to testing and operation. It's a challenge that requires rethinking the entire shipbuilding industry from the ground up. This isn't just about one ship. Palantir's software is transforming the entire shipbuilding process, creating a ripple effect that could reshape industries far beyond the shoreline. We're talking about a level of integration and optimization that's never been seen before in heavy industry. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the shipyard. Palantir and HD Hyundai Heavy Industries are doing something that's straight up sci-fi, but it's happening right now. This isn't just slapping some AI on a boat. It's a complete overhaul of how we build ships, and it's about to send shockwaves through the entire heavy industry sector. Palantir's been the go-to for government agencies and big corporations when they need to make sense of mountains of data. Now, they're bringing that expertise to shipbuilding. The shipbuilding industry isn't exactly known for being on the cutting edge of tech. These folks have been doing things pretty much the same way for decades. But now, they're about to leapfrog into the future with Palantir's Foundry software. Think of Foundry as the brain of the shipyard. It's not just crunching numbers, it's revolutionizing every aspect of shipbuilding. Imagine an AI that understands the unique challenges of building a massive vessel, one that can anticipate problems before they even happen. That's Foundry. It's optimizing workflows, integrating AI into design, procurement, and production. They're developing generative AI tailored specifically for shipyards. We're looking at a level of integration and optimization that's never been seen before in heavy industry. It's creating a whole new ecosystem of smart, connected industrial processes. Ryan Taylor, Palantir's Chief Revenue Officer, is pretty pumped about this partnership, and he should be. This isn't just about building ships anymore. It's about redefining what a ship can be. And let's talk about the market potential. We're looking at the unmanned warship market exploding from $920 million to $2.7 billion in just a decade. That's not just growth, that's a seismic shift in naval technology. Palantir's software capabilities are HDHHI's secret weapon in dominating this market. In naval operations, interoperability and operational effectiveness are key. And guess what's crucial for achieving that? Software. We're talking about leveraging AI for mission planning and fleet management. It's like giving these ships a brain and a nervous system, all powered by Palantir's tech. At the heart of all this is something called the Palantir Ontology. Now, I can't tell you everything about it just yet, but let me tell you, this isn't just some fancy term. It's the secret sauce that's going to revolutionize how we think about AI-driven decision-making in defense and maritime applications. Palantir's Foundry software is revolutionizing shipbuilding, giving the entire shipyard a shared brain. This isn't just about making ships smarter, it's transforming the whole industry. Imagine every process in shipbuilding connected and communicating in real time. Sounds simple? It's not. Shipyards are notoriously complex, with different systems struggling to work together. Enter Foundry. It creates a new language for the shipyard, an ontology that models how everything relates. It's like suddenly being able to see in the dark. Take hull assembly, for example. Foundry can instantly spot which factories are about to get swamped or sit idle. It's optimizing resources across the entire operation in real time. Foundry isn't just number crunching. It's learning from every decision, every process, every success, and every failure. HDHHI can now make decisions based on a complete picture of their entire operation, instantly. This isn't just about efficiency. We're talking about creating an entire ecosystem of smart, connected industrial processes. In naval operations, interoperability and effectiveness are everything. Palantir's tech is giving these ships a brain and a nervous system. The Palantir Ontology is representing decisions, not just data. It's integrating data, logic, and action into one cohesive model that reflects the dynamic conditions of the organization. It's capturing decision data from operational users, enabling AI-driven decision-making that's contextually relevant to HDHHI's operations. You want to know the craziest part? This system handles both structured and unstructured data, synthesizing information from everywhere to make better decisions. Integrating all this with HDHHI's existing systems was no walk in the park. We're talking about overcoming challenges posed by diverse and often outdated systems. But Palantir figured it out, creating a unified operational workflow that connects enterprise-wide data and processes. While competitors are still struggling with basic AI integration, Palantir's approach is leagues ahead. It's not just about automating individual tasks, It's about creating a holistic, intelligent ecosystem that learns and improves continuously. HDHHI isn't just improving efficiency, they're uncovering new possibilities that were completely invisible before. They're not just building ships anymore, they're redefining what a ship can be, and in the process, they're setting a new standard for the entire industry. Holy shit, AI isn't just changing shipbuilding, it's rewriting the rulebook for heavy industry across the board. We're talking about a seismic shift that's going to make the Industrial Revolution look like a warm-up act. Think about aerospace. With Palantir's tech, we could see planes that adapt their wing structure mid-flight for optimal fuel efficiency. I'm not talking about minor tweaks here. Imagine an aircraft that completely reshapes itself based on real-time atmospheric data. Or take construction. What if buildings could reconfigure their internal structure based on usage patterns? You walk into your office on Monday, and the whole layout has changed to maximize productivity based on last week's data. And let's not forget about energy production. Picture power plants that can predict and adapt to demand fluctuations in real time, eliminating waste and maximizing output. We're standing on the edge of a new industrial era. The potential is mind-blowing, but so are the challenges. As we move forward, we need to be asking ourselves, are we ready for this level of AI integration in our industries? This isn't just about making things faster or cheaper. It's about unlocking new possibilities that were completely invisible before. It's about redefining what's possible in heavy industry. And let me tell you, the implications are massive. We're not just changing how we build ships, we're changing how we build the future. All right, let's wrap this up. Palantir and HDHHI are rewiring how we think about heavy industry. This partnership shows us a future where AI shapes the physical world. If they can use AI to build an autonomous warship, what can't they do? This Palantir HDHHI thing is a blueprint for the future of manufacturing. Keep your eyes on this space, because the waves from this partnership are going to hit shores we can't even see yet. We're witnessing the birth of a new industrial revolution, and it's going to change everything we know about production and technology.